Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 26 June 2022 and the time is 6:30 p.m. And today we had an excellent webinar and we talked about some numbers and all that. And one assumption is in case if Nifty holds 15,183, which was the last week low, target for Nifty is 26,124. Okay. To hear that, you can think that I'm really mad. But the rule says yes. Okay. Will it go into hold that 15,183? $1 million question. Nobody knows. But according to me, it will break that low. It will go much, much below 15,183. That's my assumption. And that's my working also. And I'm saying this for a very, very long time. I said this on October 18th, 2021, where Nifty made the top on October 19, 2021. That video is also available. You can go back and check that video in my YouTube channel. So this is a rule. We talked about that rule. And this video is nothing to do about the weekly forecast. I will try to do that video later. And this video about then after, we had a webinar, many people, even in my YouTube channel, people started asking, why can't you, give us some stocks which we can buy, put some money out of it now, maybe as an SIP route, or maybe a part of the money into that counters, good counters, and slowly we'll try to accumulate over a period of time. And then we will try to average it out so that they will get the best return in the next 7 years to 10 years time. Okay, so now based on last week video, weekly forecast video, we clearly mentioned Nifty made a bottom and we are expecting 1,000 points rise from the last week low, which is 15,183. Touch wood, by God grace, market respected our view and it was up by roughly around 500 points from the low, 15,183 to 15,700 level, which is for roughly around 500 points. Expecting another 500 points more. And all that, I'll try to cover in my weekly forecast video. And this video is going to be on the stocks. And I'm going to cover more than 180 stocks in the F&O list. Okay. And I'm going to give a small stop loss for a big gain. Small stop loss for a big gain. What is the conditions in this? The condition is it should be a weekly sell. It should have given a weekly sell. And the weekly sell low should be held. Okay, that's only condition. That's only condition. And when you can add more, suppose if I'm going to show one counter and the weekly low was held and from there it started moving up. Once it gives a genuine buy, I will explain all these terms in the video. Once it gives a genuine buy on one day, then you can start adding that counter more. Okay. In case if it started falling below that the entry level, then I will also give you where to average it out in the coming days to come. Okay. And before that, you need to understand what is genuine buy, what is fake buy, what is genuine sell, and what is fake sell. Only these four things which you need to know before getting into the stocks. And this is a thing which we use in our trading by using fortune signals, right from 1 minute to 1 month, right? The same thing which I'm going to give you now. Believe me, based on fortune signals, we can able to capture the top and we can able to capture the bottom also. Okay, and last week it was a clear-cut weekly sell, and we understood and why we gave a buy initiation last week, because 17th was the major important trend change date for Nifty as well as for Dow Jones. And I've covered that also in my weekly forecast video. You can go back and check my last week video. Exact low made on 17th in Nifty. And from there it took a U-turn. Even Dow Jones also gave a fake sell in fortune signals on weekly and it started moving up. So whether this 15,183 is going to hold, no idea. But if it holds, target for Nifty is 26,124. This is based on a rule. This is based on a rule. Don't come and ask me that, you told me Nifty will go to 26,124, but it started correcting all that. Again, I'm saying I want the market to come down According to me, it will come down because we are still in bearish mode only. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. Right? It is just a pullback according to me. People started asking me good counters to accumulate now because market has fallen more than 20% and all that. So, and stocks have fallen more than 30%, 40%, some even 50%. So I thought of covering stock, but with a very, very small stop loss because I don't want to take any chance to give a bigger stop loss here. Simply you buy like what long term guys will say. Simply buy. No need to worry about because India is growing. People, those who bought only know the pain. So it started correcting. So I want to give a small stop loss. You need to respect the stop loss, and there will be some rules to enter this also. The rules are: suppose let's say your corpus is 10 lakhs, and I'm going to cover more than 180 stocks, and you cannot buy all the 180 stocks. Then it's very, very difficult for you to manage for anyone else. So you can take the best 20 stocks based on fundamentals. In that, I am actually a mentor, so I don't know anything about that. So you need to do your homework. So do your fundamental analysis. Take the best ones. Take the best ones. Take 20 stocks. Let's say if you're selecting 20 stocks, so 10 lakhs divided by 20, you get 50K. So in that 50K, you can invest 25% to 30% now in that stock. Now in that stock. The remaining 70% or 75% should be in cash. I will keep on doing my work on these counters. In case if it breaks the last week low, then I will tell you when to average. If you want to exit, you can exit. This can be utilized for positional trading, swing trading, any trading you call. Okay, even for short-term investment or medium-term investment. By God's grace, it may be even a long-term investment on the upper side, not on the lower side. On the upper side, I'm saying. Okay, so the homework has to be done by you. I am ready to give the stocks now, and I cannot cover the 180 stocks in one video. So I'll try to cover from A to D, then E to, let's say, whatever alphabets. So till Z, I'll try to cover in part by part. And whenever you are seeing one video, you need to go back and see this video first, because this is where I'm going to set the parameter. This is where I'm going to set the parameter. So now in fortune signals, you need to understand 4 things. Very, very basic. What is buy initiation candle and what is sell initiation candle? And what is fake buy and what is genuine buy? And what is fake sell and what is genuine sell? That's all. Very simple, 6 things. No need of trend line, no need of any other oscillators and all that. In case if you buy based on this recommendation, use your technical parameters to run the stock. If the stop loss gets hits on the higher side, kindly exit. Kindly exit if you are a positional or a swing trader. If you are a long-term investor, you can definitely hold on with the stop loss which I'm going to give you. Okay. So I don't hold any responsibility in this. Disclaimer is clearly given. So you need to do your homework from your side or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decisions based on any stocks or any indices or any financial instrument. I'm giving you very clear instruction now. So now let's go and understand what is fake buy, what is fake sell, what is genuine sell, and what is fake fake sell. Okay. So now last week, okay, before going into fake buy and fake sell, let's see how the Nifty is based on long term on fortune signals. I'm not doing anything, no trend line, nothing. Simple. No, not even Ichimoku, not even pitchfork. So based on long term in fortune signals, it has given a buy. It has given a buy in April 2014. April 2014. And this candle high was 6730. 6730. And the next candle close was 6696. So this is not a genuine buy because this candle high was 6730. This candle has to close above to confirm it is a genuine buy. I will explain this in very detail in a smaller video, the smaller part also. So now this candle has become genuine because this candle closed above this candle high. This is called buy initiation candle. Buy initiation candle. When you get a buy under a candle, it's called buy initiation candle. So when it becomes genuine, when any candle after that, whenever, it is not only immediate, whenever any candle closes above the high of this buy initiation candle, it becomes genuine. So it has become genuine here on 2nd May 2014, and the high was 7563. This candle line. So you can buy here. And after that, what happened? It went up, came down, exactly touch the low of fortune signals. Blue started moving, went up, and this is where your corona came. Even in corona, my system has not given any sell. On a monthly front, I'm talking about. This is people, those who ask me, can this fortune signals works in long term, like let's say 10 years, 20 years scenario? Yeah, this is an example. Even though there was a big fall, it has not given me a sell. But what it did is it broke the red color line and went below. Whenever it breaks this red color line and break below, if this candle low is not breached, then you are going to see a mega move. And this applied even for 1 minute time frame also. Even in 1 minute time frame also. So even in this corona period, it has not given me a sell. So it is a highly trending system, even for intraday, 1 minute scalper and all that. Because normally scalper will try to buy for 20 points, 25 points. We don't do that. Even if it is 1 minute, if you're following 1 minute in fortune signals, we will try to ride the trend even for 150, 250 points also. Our stop loss is very minimum. So based on monthly, it has not given a sell till now. So I am expecting it should come and touch here 13,933 to 13,377. Whether it's going to come to that level, I don't know. But based on the previous pattern, yes, it's going to come. Yes, it is going to come. Right? I'm not investing anything now. I have told in many of my videos. And last week, I clearly said whatever we exited at 18,300 level in mutual funds, we entered 20% into market when Nifty touched my first target, which is 15,625. Even that was the low of yesterday's number. That was the number. That number will work like mad. Okay. So we entered 20% and remaining 80%, I am still waiting in balance advantage and liquid. Whenever the market comes down, I will try to average it out. Okay, so this is based on monthly. Let's go to weekly. Understand this very, very clearly. So what is fake sell? What is fake sell? So this is the sell initiation candle because the candle has become red and the sell came. Okay, the initiation came. If any candle does not close above, doesn't close below this low of this candle, it is a fake sell. It is a trap. It is a trap. That is why last week I made a video and clearly said I'm expecting a bounce back because exactly on 17th, Nifty had a trend change date as well as Dow Jones had a trend change date. So the trend has come. Whether it is going to go from here, all that I don't know. I'm saying if it holds this week low because the sell has initiated, that is why I'm telling you. Otherwise, if there is no sell here, then I will not call it as a bottom. Once the sell has come, this has gone up till it holds this low, which is 15,183. According to me, bottom is done. But how far it is going to go up from here, God only knows. God only knows. That I will try to cover in my weekly forecast video. So this is called fake sell because this candle has not closed below this candle low. So this, as of now, please understand, as of now, this is a fake sell. This is a fake sell. It may even come and take out this low here, somewhere in here, anywhere. Whenever it breaks and closes below this low, this sell will become genuine. Are you clear? Whenever from here on, whenever it breaks and closes below this sell initiation candle low, it becomes genuine. As of now, it is a fake sell where people got trapped. So then what is genuine buy? So genuine buy, I already explained. Genuine buy, I already explained here. Okay, genuine buy, I already explained here. So once you get a buy, if the candle closes above this candle high, it becomes genuine. So then what is fake buy? Let's go to Nifty in daily. I'll explain you very clearly. So if you go here, Nifty. So Nifty after this Corona fall, it gave a buy. It gave a buy here on 10,408. Okay. And it has become genuine here because this is 10,484 was the high, and this candle low was below this candle high. So this is a fake buy again. This is a fake buy again. But when it becomes genuine, it becomes genuine here. This candle become genuine after it gave a buy here. The buy, sorry. 1 second. Sorry. So the candle gave a buy here, okay, at 10,393. Okay, and this candle closed above this candle high. So it became genuine here at 10,417 because this candle closed above this candle high, which is the buy initiation candle. So from there is no sell. There is no sell. It gone up. And you can see this. Whenever it breaks the low of this red color line, when it comes down, if the next candle is not closing below this candle low, you will see a big move because this is a trap for people. Okay, so like this, it has gone up. Again, same. It broke this system, red color, came down. None of the candle closed below this bump up move. See how beautiful it is. No trend line, nothing. And whenever it comes and touches the blue, it will bounce. It will bounce. So it's going on from 10,000. So it break here. So once it broke here on 22nd November 2021, none of the candle closed above this. The candle started closing below. Then it gave a sell. So once it gave a sell, this candle low was 16,986. 16,986. Okay. And this candle become genuine. All these candles are not genuine because it has not closed below this low. It has not closed below this low of this candle. So these candles are nullified. This is not a genuine sell. The genuine sell came here. The genuine sell came here where you need to exit. So then what happened? After that, it started coming down, going up, and suddenly it gave a buy. So from 16,407, it went and gave a buy. Can I buy here? Because it is given a buy? No. Why? Because it is a fake buy where people got trapped. Why it is a fake buy? Because this candle high was not taken out by any other candle after that. See, this candle low was 18,085. This candle high was 18,321. So the candle must close above 18,321. Then only it becomes a buy. Otherwise, it's a trap, which is called a fake buy. So from there, what happened? Started falling. Again, sell, falling. Again, it went and gave a buy. 18,114. Everybody started jumping on the street saying that 21,000 is the target for Nifty. Clearly, I made a video on 4th April. You can go back and check in that YouTube video. Clearly mentioned this is a fake buy. Will it become a genuine or not? That's a question. And what happened after that? This candle high was not breached. See how we are able to point out the exact top with the buy initiation. We know where the people are getting trapped. So exact trap happened here from 18,114 to 15,193 or 83. So this is called a fake buy. This is called a fake buy. So our system used to capture this well in advance, and it will give a notification saying that I need to be careful. And this works in 1 minute also. This works in 1 minute also. So this is a simple understanding of buy initiation, sell initiation, fake buy, fake sell, genuine buy, genuine sell. That's all. So now I'm going to cover 180 stocks. I'm going to give you first one counter now. So then part by part by part by part, I will try to cover all the 180 stocks. Now I'm going to go to one counter. For an example sake, I'm going to Apollo Hospital. Okay, on daily, it is 100% sell. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. Okay. If you go to weekly, it has given a sell. It has given a sell, but none of the candle closed below this candle low. So which means this is fake sell. Till it doesn't break 35.30, which was the low of this candle, this candle is as of now fake sell. So from here on, it will try to move above. So somewhere you can start investing here, whatever the quantity which I said after doing all your homework, blah, 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 blah. You can take a call here. In case if it goes up and gives a genuine buy in 1 day, you can add more. You can add more. But as of now, you can enter this counter with the stop loss of 3530 minus 2% from that level. That should be your stop loss. Or any 2 days candle close to below 35.30, you can exit. Whenever it comes very near to this date, you can take a buy call. No need to buy, simply go and buy tomorrow. If there is a gap up, no need to buy in a year. Simply wait, market will again come down. It will give you an opportunity. Okay. So you can, this is the entry area. The entry area is somewhere around 3560, 3570, or even if you get a 3530 also, you enter. The stop loss is 2% below this level. That's all. For a massive gain. If God is with you, if Apollo Hospital gives the genuine buy in 1 day, then the sky is the limit. I don't know how far it is going to go, but I'm giving you an entry with a very minimal stop loss. So you can try to add this counter if it comes to 3530 with 2% stop loss. Okay, but this guy is already moved. So I'm just giving you an example. Let's go to one more example and see how we would have played Ambuja Cement. So now Ambuja Cement has given a sell. It has become a genuine sell also here. So you need to avoid. But when to buy this Ambuja Cement? You can buy Ambuja Cements once it gives the genuine buy after the sell. Once it gives the genuine buy on daily, you can buy. It has been given a genuine buy here. So it went up. Now closing down, you can try to buy at 331 level, or you can start accumulating here. But where it took the support? Exactly at the Shakti line in daily. Even this also we can capture. So everything was included in that fortune signal. So exact low was this pink color line. Okay. So now in the coming video, I'm going to discuss all these stocks, all blue chips mostly. Nifty 50 will be there. I'm going to give you counters, which has given the parameter is it should have given me a weekly sell, and it should be a fake one. That's a criteria. So based on that, I will give you your stocks. Do your homework. Again, I'm saying do your homework, consult your financial advisors, do the fundamental stuff, add your technical indicators after that. I will give you the entry with the stop loss. Riding the trend is up to you. Or riding the trend for long term, it's up to you. Or riding the stock for next 10 years, up to you. Right? So let's see. And this is only for bulls. The last word is, in case Nifty holds 15,183, target is 26,200. Just a minute, I'll check that number also. Just a minute. Just a minute, sorry. I'll tell you the exact number. Yeah. If it holds 15,183, again caption 15,183 on a weekly closing basis. On a weekly closing basis, target is 26,195.5. 26,195.5. When I gave an entry at 7511, not 7511, but we entered on 16th March 2020, when everybody was extremely bearish, we entered based on 23rd. We expected 23rd March will be the bottom, but it has not happened on 23rd. It happened on 24th on March 2020. But I gave a target of 13,775 on or before December 21, 2022. Sorry, 2020. Everybody laughed at me. How can you give when the market, everybody, the entire world is in panic? Okay. And when I gave the initiation, I initiated on 16th March. I initiated on 16th March. And I don't know that, India is going to come out with lockdown on 24th. Seriously, nobody knows. But we initiated the buy because we exited at 12,167 in November 2019. So when we entered, I gave a target of 13,775 on or before 21st December 2020. So I am giving a target which is more than the previous high. The previous high was 12,430.5. So I am giving a target more than that when the entire economy, entire world is in doldrum. Whether it happened, exactly it happened. So market knows when to make the bottom based on previous patterns, and that is what has happened here. Right? Even when I said 18th October 2021 that be very, very careful, market is going to top out, nobody believed. And when I said 15,625 will be my first target, no one believed. It came yesterday, 2 days before, last week. At that point of time, all the parameters were looking extremely good. Nobody talked about bearishness. Everybody is bullish, 25,000, 30,000, 40,000 Nifty. Only time said, enough is enough. 18th we are topping out, but 18th it's not happened. So 19th has happened, 19th October. That video is available. You can go back and check in my YouTube video. Maybe I'll try to, maybe in the next video, I'll try to cover when I gave an initiation in my mutual funds and what is the target. And exactly on 21st December, believe me, if I go to Nifty, Nifty, 1 second. Nifty, one day, I remove fortune signals. Okay, so this was the low. This was the low. Okay, 24th March was the low. And exactly this was the 21st December. See the fall, 3%. See the fall 3% on that day, because that day is a very, very crucial day. People, those who are attending my webinars, they know what is the importance of 21st December. Not only this 21st December, whenever 21st December comes, yes, that's a great day. The recent day was 21st June. The target achieved, but nobody believed. Let's say this time fortune signals gave a weekly sell, but I'm expecting a fall more here because I need to pump in more and more money into the market for my clients as well as for me. So keeping the fingers crossed. But my idea is to give counters to you. Please do the homework. So let's from the next video. This is part 1 video. So from part 2 video will be from A to D alphabetical order. I'll try to cover all the F&O stocks till Z. Okay. Thanks a lot for seeing this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. See you in the next video from A to D. Thank you.